Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making vegan curry mayo dip. This easy, creamy curry mayo is perfect for dipping fries or tots or veggies. It also makes a great sandwich spread, and I can't wait for you to see how simple it is to make. Let's do it! In a small bowl, combine vegan mayo with red wine vinegar and curry, garlic, and onion powders. As you can see, the vegan mayo is the base for this recipe, so make sure that you choose a vegan mayo that you really like. The flavor is going to come through a little bit, and I don't want you to ruin this delicious dip by choosing a vegan mayo that you're not wild about. Mix all of the ingredients together really well, and you are ready to dip. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this easy curry mayo dip. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!